Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be creating our update view. But before that, there is a bug that I want to actually talk about. So if you noticed, basically in our view, when we add somebody's birthday, for example, let's say we add this birthday and we just say save. It actually says turning 1 in 364 days. So ideally, what it should say is that their birthday is today, right? So because we did not change the date, so it should actually say the birthday is today, but it's actually computing next year's value. So that bug is there. So let's go ahead and fix it. And there is an easy fix for this. So if you go to your birthday view model where we are computing remaining days, here what we're going to do, we're going to put a simple condition, and we're going to say that we not only want year, but we want month and we want day. Okay, so we need these two. Now we do need to assign a new birthday's year to today's year. That's actually good, and this is also good. Now here we can actually put a condition. You can say if today component dot day is equal to next day components dot day, and today component dot month is equal to next birthday component dot month. So basically, if the day is same as next month's next birthday's day and month is same as next birthday's month, then we want to return 0. Okay, and with this I've already made a change actually in our list cell. So if let's see, okay, there we go, right here. So we're saying if the birthday remaining days is 0, then we say text and it's today is their birthday, and we just format it, else we actually show the remaining days. So let's go ahead and run this, and I want to show you how it actually changes this. So turning 1 today, so that's actually the birthday that actually we need to make adjustment of. Okay, all right, on to our update um, update view, update birthdays. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a birthday update word birthday model first. Okay, and the model is going to be update birthday view model, and we'll import from SwiftUI, and we're simply going to say class update birthday view model, and it's going to have a function which is going to be update birthday. Okay, and this is going to take a birthday view model, and we're going to simply call data manager dot share dot update birthday with UUID as birthday dot UUID, birthday dot ID, birthday dot name, and birthday dot date. Okay, so that's it for our view model. And you must be thinking, like, why are we creating like the single line view model? In honestly, actually, if you look at a lot of these things, for example, this text right here, this text can come from view model, so we can actually move this into a view model. So let's do it for this one. Because view model is all about basically containing and providing the information related to that view. So we can simply say var, what is that, a title, Yeah. So we can simply say title text string, and we're gonna say add new birthday. Okay. So what we can do is we can actually populate this instead of like typing it or hard coding it here. We can assign view models responsibility to basically have all this information. For example, even for enter name and stuff like that. So if you notice, add new birthday is coming from there. So anything that you see as a text, you can actually sort of move it. Even these actions, like add new present toggle, and all these things, you can actually move it in there. I'm going to leave it in there and leave it as an exercise for you to practice. But that's what your view model is supposed to do, is like centralize the common functionality into the view model, so you can actually reuse it in a different scenario whenever you need it. Okay, so that's a challenge for you, but we're going to continue forward with update, and update is going to be similar. I mean, in sense of the UI. Reason I ended up like doing it because I didn't want to put too much thought into creating that, but you can actually change it. Reason I'm creating two different UIs, so you have like two different places for add and update, so you can change your UI however you want to, and I get the opportunity to basically present a different sort of way of showing your view. So whenever you're tapping, we are actually navigating or segueing into the view or presenting the view by push transition. So that's actually another thing that I want to show you, and I want to separate the update view. That way the functionality is sort of like detached from add. So I tend to keep things simple. It actually it gives you more flexibility in future if you want to change the UI for update in some other way. Okay, so that's the reason. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and create our view update birthday view. And here first we're going to create our class that's going to hold temporary values. So update birthday data observable object published var name published var date and last one ID. We're gonna just have it here, and we can actually create the UID right here, although we can update it when we receive the model. So here we're gonna use environment variable at or environment property wrapper, and we're gonna say presentation mode. Okay, so we're gonna use presentation mode to dismiss our modal. So this is going to be a different way just to show you how you can do it differently. Okay, observed object is going to be data, and we're going to have private let view model this guy right here. Okay, now for the initializer, we're gonna say we need birthday view model, so we can say data dot id is equal to birthday vm dot id, data dot name is equal to birthday vm dot name, and data dot date is equal to birthday vm dot date, like so. So we have populated our data with the data that's been supplied to us. Okay, and then onto the body. So here, that's okay. We can actually remove that. We're not gonna use the previews. It's just I feel like it takes a lot to show preview, like computer resources. So I do use it, like when I'm creating these prototypes, but along with recording, it actually slows the computer down. So you don't want to be like me to be like you don't want to watch me typing stuff and waiting forever to build and stuff like that. So that's the trade-off. But there's a lot of optimization that needs to be done for the previews, I would say. All right, text field. All right, can't type. Okay, text field. Enter name. Text is going to be data.name. Text field. Style is going to be rounded border. Text field style. Padding is going to be from bottom 10, and foreground color is going to be black. Okay, then we're going to have a V stack, and this V stack is going to be our calendar thing. So let's go ahead and grab this calendar format new. It's going to be pretty much same. So I'm going to say date of birth, bold. Okay, you can say data.date. The range is still going to be same, and now this is binding. Okay, so alright, so far so good. Let's go ahead and run it. Actually, I want to see how it looks. Okay, we are not presenting it, so let's go ahead and put update birthday view inside our list so we can start seeing it. So update view is gonna be on the cell where we are presenting, right? Where do we present? Our list. Oh yeah, on the list. Update cell. Okay. Alright, so let me check my reference really quickly. Okay, so alright, so right here we have this text, right? Text guy. So we are gonna do the destination, basically our update birthday view. Okay, and inside this we're gonna supply the birthday view model, and this view model is gonna be self dot birthday view model dot birthdays, and we're gonna pass the index for that. So that'll give us the birthday view model, and that's about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this, and we get that, and look at that. So that's actually perfect, and I don't know if we can actually, oh, we're gonna put that in place. Okay, so going back, and we have our birthday, enter name, date of birth, and now we need the cancel button. So I'm gonna actually copy that particular code as well. So let me do that real quickly. Okay, there we go. Okay, So what are we doing here? Well, we are basically creating two buttons, and we are calling them, putting them side by side, and calling this function update birthday. And update for birthday function is rather simple. So let me see, this is the body, and we can create private func update birthday like that. Let birthday is equals to birthday view model, and we're going to create it from data.id, data.name, data.date, and view model dot update with birthday self dot, and this is how we're going to dismiss presentation dot wrapped value dot dismiss. Okay, and that is going to basically dismiss our modal. And last thing we want to have is the formatting. So we're going to say foreground color is going to be white, padding top, and this is going to be 50. Now background color, I want to bring it over from, actually, you know what, I can bring everything over here from this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, and voila. Magic of copy paste. Okay, like I said, I did not bother to change these things, but I would actually totally recommend you doing, like, you know, using a different UI if you want to. And I'm gonna change this, and there we go. And I'm gonna change this to okay, and we cancel, and that's actually good. And if we just save it, that's actually good. Okay, so let's see what else is left. So we have cancel, we have plus, and did we miss anything? I think this is it. So this was the last video where we actually built out the entire birthday reminder app. Mind it, like, you know, it's actually ready for you to publish. So if you want to take it to the App Store and publish it, it's actually all set. You just add some sort of like about and stuff like that somewhere, and yeah, there you go. All right, so yeah, so this was our whole series on how to create a simple birthday app using core data. And if you don't believe me, it's all being persisted right there. Okay, so that's all designed using MVVM, which actually gives you benefit of, like, you know, having a different sort of UI or reusable logic and stuff like that. So remember to try out your assignment to actually move as much logic stuff as possible into the view model, and then you can use it from there. Okay, so with that said, I will end this series here with this video, and thanks again for watching. I will see you guys very soon in next series for looking at, like, you know, or creating another very exciting app. Okay, so until then, thank you so much, and take care.